In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Webflow. We'll walk through setting up the content structure that powers a blog in Webflow using the CMS. This is the core that lets you manage posts in one place and display them consistently across your site. Start inside your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're in the site you want to add a blog to and that you can see the left toolbar. That's where the CMS lives. Think of the CMS as a structured database for your content. For a blog, each post is an item in a collection, and each piece of information, like title, author, or cover image, is a field. Open the CMS panel from the left side. This reveals your collections area. If you haven't created any yet, it will be blank and ready for setup. This is where you'll add the collection that will store all your blog posts. Click the plus icon to add a new CMS collection. You're creating the container for all posts here. Give it a clear, memorable name, something like blog posts, so it's easy to recognize later. Keep your naming simple and consistent. It helps a lot as your site grows. You'll notice Webflow provides ready-made collection templates. For blogs, choosing the blog post template is a fast, reliable option, because it comes preloaded with helpful fields such as name, slug, summary, main image, and rich text for the body content. If you prefer full control, you can start from a blank collection and create only the fields you need. Typical fields for a blog include title, a short description, a hero image, the post body, an author name or reference, a published date, and optional tags or categories. Add what you plan to use now. You can always adjust or add fields later. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Collection. Webflow will generate the collection and make it available in the CMS panel. Behind the scenes, it also prepares a dynamic page template for this collection, which you can design later to control how each post looks on your site. With the collection created, you can add, delete, manage, or edit your blog content at any time. Open the collection to create a new post, fill in the fields you set up, and save. Keep slugs short and readable, write alt text for images, and use published dates to keep content organized. If your structure needs to evolve, you can edit fields and update items as your blog grows. That's it. Your blog's CMS foundation is in place. Great job setting up your collection. From here, managing posts becomes simple and scalable. Congratulations.